video. This time we're going to be replacing cabin air filter on 2021 Toyota Tacoma, third generation Tacoma, and this is what we started with. So here's your glove box compartment. You want to open this guy up, and then we're gonna be removing this panel right here, and then get their air filter. Air filter is actually behind this this panel. So stay tuned, and we're gonna get started with this. Hope I'm not blocking. Get in there. There you go. So the panel, the way it comes out is you lift this up, and then it should come out just like this. Put it aside, and the filter is right over here. And you got two tabs here, right there. There's one, and there's another one on the right across from on the opposite side. You push these tabs in, and then remove them. Right here. And here's the filter. This is the replacement filter that we're going to be using. There you go. Let me zoom out. The model number is right over here. I will actually put a link down below somewhere in the description section, or maybe comment section, if you guys want to order one for your Tacoma. But this is what we're going to be using. So always remember, wherever you see this arrow pointing up, so that means this surface right here is going to be facing upwards. So let's go ahead and start installing this. There you go, just slide on in there, and then get ready to put this panel back in there. And whenever you place in the bag, make sure you position it correctly, so that way you don't press it too hard and break it. There you go. And then last, we're going to be putting this panel back in there. Same goes here. You're basically doing everything in the opposite order. So remember how we slide it up, so that way to kind of get it out. So this time we're going to place it first and then push it down. There we go. And there you have it. So that's how you do it to replace the cabin air filter for your Tacoma. The process is essentially very similar to most other Toyota vehicles. It's not just limited to Tacoma. Very similar to other Toyota products. The general area where where you need to get where you have the access to air filter is going to be behind the glove box area. So that's what's basically is going to be hidden, the air filter. And then to get access to it, obviously you're going to have to open the glove box. In some models, you may have to actually drop the glove box compartment cover all the way down. In this case, you don't have to. It's already wide enough to get access to it. But otherwise, in some Toyota models, you may have to do it. But essentially, yeah, I mean, this is it. With the video, it probably took a little longer than it should, just because I was making a video and making sure that I provide all the details and not skipping any steps. But otherwise, if you know what you're doing, it shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes, honestly. But yeah, this is all I have for you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I hope to catch you guys in future videos. Goodbye.